Now this is the last topic of this chapter, types of plans. प्लान्स के क्या क्या टाइप्स होते हैं, प्लान्स होते कैसे हैं, ठीक है। कैसे प्लान्स हम डेवलप करते हैं, उनको हमने किस किस नाम से नाम दिया हुआ है। टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान्स कैन बी सिंगल यूज प्लान्स और दे कैन बी स्टैंडिंग प्लान्स. A single use plan is developed for a one time event or project, and a standing plan is used for activities that occur regularly over a period of time, right? And now we will be discussing about the objectives. This is the first type we are discussing. What are objectives? Objectives are defined as ends which the management seeks to achieve by its operations. They define the desired future state of affairs which the management of an organization strives to realize. मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का? वी वांट टू इंक्रीज द सेल्स बाय 10% in the next quarter. So these are the ends towards which we are working. The main point, the main result which we want. This is our objective. Then coming to strategy. Strategy क्या अचीव करी है हमने उसको करने के लिए? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट व्हेन cricket match we watch on TV. Sometimes we see that when the match is in a critical situation, then all the players just gather together of one team and they are secretly discussing something. They make the strategy. They give them the position. अब आप इधर प्लेस लेंगे, आप इधर प्लेस लेंगे, एक भी बॉल पे 4 नहीं जाना चाहिए, एक भी बॉल पे 6 नहीं जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये लास्ट ओवर चल रहा है, ये हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी रहेगी. So that is what they are deciding about, the strategy, that what will be our strategy so that we can achieve the goal. In the business, for example, to achieve the goal, we can keep the strategy of giving a 50% discount. We can keep the strategy of buy one, get one free. Strategy is a comprehensive plan for achieving the organizational objectives. It includes three dimensions: determining long term objectives of the enterprise, adopting a particular course of action, like I just discussed, and allocating resources necessary to achieve the objective. Strategy also refers to future decisions defining the organization's direction and scope in the long run. Right? So, clear about strategy, that this will be our strategy. This is also a type of plan. Then, policy. Policy is a general guideline which brings uniformity in decision making for achievement of predetermined objectives. For example, recruitment policy, hiring only university trained engineers; sales policy, selling products on cash basis and dealing with wholesalers only. हमने पॉलिसी बना ली अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की कि हम सिर्फ कैश बेसिस पर ही सेल करेंगे, सिर्फ कैश सेल्स करेंगे. क्रेडिट सेल्स आर नॉट अलाउड इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वी हैव डिसाइडेड हम सिर्फ होलसेलिंग का काम करेंगे, होलसेलर्स का. रिटेल में हम सेल नहीं करेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज आवर पॉलिसी. एक यूनिफॉर्म डिसीजन मेकिंग कर दी हमने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कि रिक्रूटमेंट के टाइम हम सिर्फ यूनिवर्सिटी ट्रेंड इंजीनियर्स को हायर करेंगे इंजीनियर्स के लिए, और किसी इंजीनियर को हायर नहीं करेंगे जिनके जो नॉन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड प्लेसेस से हैं या जो इस पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी से नहीं है. सो दिस इज द पॉलिसी ऑफ आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, that we have made a policy. Policy is a general guideline which brings uniformity in decision making for achievement of predetermined objectives. Clear about policy, that this is the policy of our organization. The manager may use his or her discretion to interpret and apply a policy. For example, the decisions taken under a purchase policy may include: should a company make or buy its requirements of packages, transport services, printing of stationery, etc.? How should vendors be selecting for procuring supplies? How many suppliers should a company make purchases from? राइट. सो वी आर मेकिंग अ पॉलिसी. हम इसी ढंग से काम करेंगे, दूसरे किसी ढंग से काम नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज द पॉलिसी ऑफ आवर कंपनी. वी हैव फिक्स प्राइस पॉलिसी. हम बार्गेनिंग नहीं करते, हमारे पास सिर्फ फिक्स प्राइस का ही पॉलिसी हमने फॉलो किया हुआ है. सो दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ प्लान, पॉलिसी. देन कमिंग टू प्रोसीजर. Procedure consists of sequential steps to carry out activities within policy framework to attain predetermined objectives. It details the exact number in which a work is to be performed. Examples are procedures for selection of employees, procedure for reporting progress in production. So, this is a procedure that a step by step activity sequences are given to us that you will be working in this direction only. This is the step. First step you will be clearing, then you will go to the second step, and then you will be going to the third step. So this procedure has been told to us that this way you will be doing it. Like when we watch some shows where they are making a dish, so the procedure is given to us that you first boil the pasta, and then you make this gravy, and then you put this pasta into this. So this is what, this is a step by step process. A sequence is given to you that first you will be doing this, then second this, then third this. So this is known as procedure. This is also a type of plan. Then rules. What are rules? No smoking is allowed in the office premises. This is a rule. Rule बना दिया गया. The timings of the school are 8 a.m. After 8 a.m. the doors will, the gate will be closed. So this is what, this is a rule. Rule is a specific statement that specifies clearly what is to be done. It does not allow for any flexibility or discretion. कोई flexibility नहीं है, ये rule है तो है. It reflects a managerial decision that a certain action must or must not be taken. For example, rule of no smoking in office premises. A rule is usually the simplest type of plan because there is no compromise or change unless a policy decision is taken. Then coming to methods. Method is the prescribed way in which a task has to be performed considering the objectives. For example, there are different methods of training. Out of those methods, one can be given to you. The manager can choose that particular method. Wage payment mode in a stitching unit. That which type of wage payment mode we will be using. Either we will be giving you monthly wages, or we will be giving you wages according to the pieces made by you, according to the pieces stitched by you. So which method we are choosing? So this is a type of plan. Then it is not the last, program. Program is a detailed statement about a project which outlines the objectives, policies, procedures, tasks, human and physical resources required, and the budget to implement any course of action. The minutest details are worked out within a broad policy framework. For example, construction of a shopping mall, opening a new department, etc. So it is known as a program. That this is the program, this is the project, this is the thing which we are working upon. We are constructing a mall, we are opening a new department in an organization. So how we will carry out the work, that is done in program. Then the last one is budget. Budget, we are already very much familiar with this term budget. We have budget in our houses also. Then we listen to the budget also, that the budget for our country comes. So a budget is a statement of expected results in numerical terms for a specified period of time. It may be expressed in time, money, or physical unit. For example, sales budget, cash budget, etc. It is an instrument of both planning and controlling. Since budget represents all items, for example, expenses, revenue, and income, it becomes easier to compare actual figures with expected figures and take corrective actions simultaneously. A budget is also a control device, but making a budget involves forecasting, therefore, it comes under planning. That we are making the budget. This much amount will be spent on grocery, this much amount will be spent on payment of fees, this much amount will be purchased, will be spent on shopping. So this is what we are making the budget. In the same way, in the organizations we make the budget, that this much amount, this much of allocation of funds will be done for the sales department, This much amount will be allocated to the production department. Likewise, we make the budget in numerical terms. So types of plans, a revision, objectives. Objectives are the end results for which the organization is working. Example is increasing the sales by 10% in the next quarter. Then a strategy. What strategy we will be following to achieve our objectives? An example like a 50% discount we will be giving, or what other things we will be using for achieving our objectives. Then policy are the general guidelines which bring uniformity in decision making, like the policy of selling the goods on cash basis only, the policy of wholesale business only, that we are not selling on retail, the policy of fixed price policy, that we don't do any bargaining and we sell on fixed price only. Then there is procedure. Procedure is a step by step process. A sequence is there. Procedure consists of sequential steps to carry out activities within the policy framework to achieve predetermined objectives. Then there are rules. Rules in the organization. The time to enter the organization is 8 a.m. After 8 a.m., you cannot enter. No smoking is allowed in the office premises. These are rules. They are inflexible. You cannot change them. Then method. Which method we will be choosing? For example, in a stitching shop, either we can pay them wages on a monthly basis, or we can choose the method of paying them wages according to the number of pieces stitched by them. So which method is chosen by the manager? Then program. Program is for a particular project. Program is a detailed statement about a project which outlines the objectives, policies, procedures, rules, task, human and physical resources required, and budget to implement any course of action. For example, construction of a shopping mall, opening a new department, etc. Then there is budget. Budget is a statement of expected results in numerical terms for a specified period of time. It may be expressed in time, money, or physical units. Right? We can have sales budget, we can have cash budget. So this finishes your chapter of planning. Then I will be proceeding towards case studies.